मैं अब आखिरी बार पूछूंगा। Now I will ask you for the last time. Now I will ask you for the last time. तुम्हारा घमंड तुम्हें बर्बाद कर देगा। Your arrogance will ruin you. Your arrogance will ruin you. अजीब मुख्र से पाला पड़ा है। What a fool I have to deal with. What a fool I have to deal with. आपने तो लुटिया ही डुबो दी है। You have spoiled the whole show. You have spoiled the whole show. आपकी चिट्ठी मिलने पर मेरी जान में जान आई। I have a sign of relief on receiving your letter. Relief on receiving your letter. मैं कार खरीदने की क्षमता नहीं रखता। I can't afford a car. I can't afford a car. मुझे खून दो और मैं आपको स्वतंत्र दूंगा। Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. मेरे नाम आपकी कितनी रकम निकलती है? How much money do I owe you? How much money do I owe you? खजांची 10,000 रुपये लेकर भाग गया। The cashier made off with 10,000 rupees. The cashier made off with 10,000 rupees. जब तक मैं न आऊँ तब तक तुम मत जाना। Till I do not come, do not go. Till I do not come, do not go. जब तक मैं नहीं आया तुम नहीं गए। Till I did not come, you did not go. Till I didn't come, you did not go. जब तक वो नहीं आएगा हम नहीं जाएंगे। Till he does not come, we will not go. Till he does not come, we will not go. जब तक तुम यहाँ हो मैं खुश हूँ। Till you are here, I am happy. Till you are here, I am happy. जब तक वो आया मैं जा चुका था। Till he come, I had left. Till he come, I had left. मैंने भी बिल्कुल यही सोचा था। That's exactly what I thought. That exactly what I thought. तुमने जो कुछ भी कहा वो गलत है। Whatever you said is wrong. Whatever you said is wrong. तुमने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है। You haven't done anything wrong. You have not done anything wrong. मेरे पास ज़्यादा समय नहीं है। I don't have much time. I don't have much time. एक बात तो पक्की है। One thing is for sure. One thing is for sure. अगर वो जाएगा तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। If he goes, I will not come. If he goes, I will not come. अगर तुम देखोगे तो मैं भी देखूंगा। If you watch, I will also watch. If you watch, I will also watch. अगर तुम खाओगे तो मैं भी खाऊंगा। If you eat, I will also eat. If you eat, I will also eat. अगर राहुल आएगा तो मैं उससे पूछ लूँगा। If Rahul comes, I will ask him. If Rahul comes, I will ask him. अगर वो मुझसे पूछेगा तो मैं बता दूँगा। If he asks to me, I will tell him. If he asks to me, I will tell him. अगर वो बोलेगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा? If he speak, what will I do? If he speak, what will I do? What will I do? हमें उनको दिखाना नहीं चाहिए था। We should not have showed to her. We should not have showed to her. We should not have showed to her. मुझे पूछना नहीं चाहिए था। I should not have asked. I should not have asked. उनको बोलना नहीं चाहिए था। They should not have spoken. They should not have spoken. They should not have spoken. राहुल को पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए था। Rahul should not have studied. Rahul should not have studied. Rahul should not have studied. हमें खाना बनाना पड़ता है। We have to cook. We have to cook. We have to cook. क्या आपको कपड़े धोने पड़ते हैं? Do you have to wash the clothes? Do you have to wash the clothes?
इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है। It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. वहाँ जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use going there. It's no use going there. यह किसी काम का नहीं है। He is good for nothing. He is good for nothing. क्या तुम्हारा मूड खराब है? Are you in bad mood? Are you in bad mood? जरूर कोई बात है। It's definitely something. It's definitely something. It's definitely something. मैंने जानबूझ के नहीं किया। I did not do it purposely. I did not do it purposely. तुम हमेशा जल्दी में लगते हो। You always seem in hurry. You always seem in hurry. You always seem in hurry. उसने नाक में दम कर रखा है। He has got on my nerves. He has got on my nerves. वह आजकल व्यस्त लगता है। He looks busy nowadays. He looks busy nowadays. He looks busy nowadays. वो तुम्हारी राह देख रहा होगा। He may be waiting for you. He may be waiting for you. मेरा शक सही निकला। My suspicious turn out right. My suspicious turn out right. तुम्हारी बहुत गंदी सोच है। You have very bad mentality. You have very bad mentality. तुमने तो मुझे डरा ही दिया था। You had just made me scared. You had just made me scared. क्या तुम मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? क्या हम पहले मिल चुके हैं? Have we ever met before? Have we ever met before? Have we ever met before? मुझे उसका चेहरा याद नहीं। I don't remember his face. I don't remember his face. अब तुम बच्चे नहीं रहे। You are not a baby anymore. You are not a baby anymore. मुझे हर बात की भनक लग जाती है। I get wind of everything. I get wind of everything. मुझे झूठी तसल्ली देने की कोशिश मत करो। Don't try to give me cold comfort. Don't try to give me cold comfort. अपनी आवाज नीचे करके बात करो। Go down to your voice. Go down to your voice. तुमसे बात करना मेरी शान के खिलाफ है। Talking to you is below my dignity. Talking to you is below my dignity. Talking to you is below my dignity. आगे से ऐसा मत करना। Let this not happen in future. Let this not happen in future. अपनी मर्जी मुझ पर लादने की कोशिश मत करो। Don't try to impose your will on me. Don't try to impose your will on me. मेरे हौसले टूट गए हैं। My will is shattered. My will is shattered. My will is shattered. तुम्हें कब अकल आएगी? When will you vision up? When will you vision up? मैं तुम्हें रोते हुए नहीं देख सकता। I am not stand you weeping. I am not stand you weeping. मुझे क्या पता था कि आज तुम्हारा जन्मदिन है। Little did I know that it was birthday today. Little did I know that it was birthday today.
मेरे लिए कुछ अच्छी पुस्तकें भेजें। Send some good books for me. Send some good books for me. कृपया संभाल कर सड़क को पार कीजिए. Please be careful while crossing the road. Please be careful while crossing the road. Please be careful. आज अच्छे बच्चों को पुरस्कार दिए जाएंगे. Good children shall be awarded today. Good children shall be awarded today. Good children shall be awarded today. अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलना एक कला है. Good English conversation is an art. Good English conversation is an art. देर के लिए मुझे खेद है. I am sorry for this delay. I am sorry for this delay. मेरी माँ बीमार है. मैं घर जाना चाहता हूँ. My mother is sick. I want to go home. My mother is sick. I want to go home. कृपया निजी बातचीत ना करें. Please don't be personal conversation. Please don't be personal conversation. यह सामान कितने पैसे का हुआ? How much should I pay for this? How much should I pay for all this? तुम चांद से भी ज़्यादा हसीन हो. You are brighter than the moon. You are brighter than the moon.